People were afraid. News media flickered on the phone's screen. It lit up Katie's sunglasses as she anxiously sat up in bed. People had reverted to animal instincts of anger that led to fighting and arguing with one another. In spite of the technological advances that humankind has access to, it has created opportunities for it to infiltrate more deeply into the deception of the mind. She continued to gaze at her phone. She opened her chatbot app and asked, "When did we become like animals?" With fear in our hearts pulling us down, it is inevitable. It's our hate that won't die. I suppose that change can start with me. Katie closed the chatbot app. Her mind felt stretched to find a way to respond to her friend. She opened her email app and wrote a heartfelt message to communicate a genuine desire to understand her friend's point of view. She focused on unity over division,